So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Next, we're going to type in chkdsk /f /r and then click on enter. Wait for this. Now once this comes up, you want to type in y and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, but keep on watching the video. So restart your computer, but keep on watching. And now as the computer is turning on, it's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load, and it's now going to start running this final scan. Once you complete the scan, it will take you back into Windows, and then your problem should be fixed.